over the years I've modified it quite a wee bit in light of my experience and also in light of my experience of acupuncture, and I've added some points. I use quite a lot of points. Now, if I was being slavish about it and said I was only going to be treating anxiety or depression or something like that, I would only need to use a few points. But I use a lot of points. In fact, I use all known points as far as I'm concerned, because I don't know what people are going to be treating. And it's important that we cover as many points as possible. One of the really good things about this therapy is I do not need to know what they're treating, because often people are inhibited from talking about what's happened to them, and so I just say, look, essentially I don't have a clue how it would feel because I've never been abused, and somebody who's never been abused can actually put themselves in that situation. It's not possible. You can be as empathetic as you like, but you're not going to be able to get near how it feels to the individual. So I don't need to know what's happened, but I do need to know that you're going to employ this technique, and when you're in a situation or when it's quiet and you want to actually treat a memory, then you can treat that memory yourself, and then you can just tap as and when appropriate when the memory or when you want to treat a specific memory. And that's the way I tend to work it. But that is, it's therapeutic for them, and it's also not, it's hardly traumatic because they're only accessing that memory for maybe 5 seconds, and then they'll start tapping. Once they're upset, you're in the memory, it's as though the circuits are firing or the circuits are open, flood it with serotonin. After they've finished it, they think, well, maybe it was distracting or something, but we'll see how it feels. But I feel better, I feel lighter, it feels different. You know, that's what they usually say. But if they keep doing it for different memories, then over time we get lots of these memories sorted.